Attending the conference online is fine. I took the news pretty well. It was a necessary measure and we handled it. No problem. At the end of each conference, we announce the city the next conference will take place in. The selection of the city was so easy this time. The city just came to us. Colleagues, hi, we need to find the city for Metanana 2022. Do you have any ideas?
We need a place with great food. Let's go to Italy.
Oh, why Italy? Let's go to Russia. There are a lot of nice places. For example, Suzdal.
Now, history. We need a place with a rich history, like at Egypt.
I believe it should be strong scientific base.
Okay, so we need a Russian city with rich history, great cuisine, and a strong scientific base. That seems difficult. What? Andrei, you're breaking up?
I have no idea.
Sorry, I don't hear you.
Andrei, you have some background noise. I'm gonna mute you.
We forgot that the city should be bicycle friendly, I think, no?
What? Well, no way we're gonna find this place.
It seems that Andrei tries to say something.
Andrei, are you okay? Do you hear us?
Oh, wow. Yeah, I have a brilliant idea. We should go to Kazan.
Exactly. That is great.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.